This is Shur on Tefilla. We got Viduy. We explained that the Viduy goes by Aleph Bet. Now we start from Aleph. Ashamnu. What does Ashamnu mean? Ashamnu, Hashtut comes from the word of Asham. We have did wrong with sin. But Ramban learns Ashamnu doesn't come from the word of Asham, comes from the word of Shemima. Shemima means ruin, destroyed. Very interesting that admission of the sin we start, according to Ramban, with the word of Shemima. We destroy, we ruin. The recognition that what does sin do? Sin is not just disobeying HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It's not just not doing the command of Hashem. It's not just being rebellious. It's something that makes a person to be destroyed. It's a self-destruction. We start the Viduy with understanding, with acknowledging that HaKadosh Baruch Hu, I'm standing in front of you, and I know that not only I disobeyed you, I did self-destruction. Because whenever a person sins, he's destroying his neshama, he's destroying himself, he's destroying everlasting for himself. He has such a huge, such existence, such an essence to be double HaKadosh Baruch Hu, the source of Chaim, and I disconnected that. Right? So imagine a tree that there's a root, and the root gets nutrition to all of the tree, has good fruit. Somebody comes and cut the tree, cut the root, and disconnects the root, the tree, from the ground, from the place of nutrition, from the place that gets its chiyut and existence from. Sin, Hashem, Ramban says, from what comes from the Shemima. First, the recognition of the admission of the sin is to understand what does sin do to a person. Therefore, now just the opposite. When we say Viduy, it's like imagine a tree that is getting dry, and we're going to come and we wish it was possible to make a root for this tree, to give it the life, revive it. Now, yes, the Tshuva and Viduy, we could revive it from the state of being ruined and destroyed, bring it to life. Then let's say Bagadan, we betrayed it. Now, the word, it's very interesting. Second notion in Viduy is betraying HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, what does betraying mean? Betraying means that you do chesed to somebody and he just comes against you. You feel very bad, you feel terrible. What? I did you chesed, you did it. This. Now, what about if you don't do chesed to somebody? You help him out, you save his life, and he comes against you. What? All of your life is because of me, and you come against me. Now, what about if you are created? Not only that, but at the time that he is coming against you, you are powering him. You give him power. If you stop giving him power, he would die. He would be dead. But even at that time that the person says Lashon Hara, the person is doing Avera, is doing something wrong, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is giving him power to do that. That's betraying HaKadosh Baruch Hu. The person understands. We say the Tefilla, Mitchadesh B'chol Goyim Aseh Bereshit. HaKadosh Baruch Hu revives the Ma'aseh Bereshit. Hashem creation means not that Hashem created a thing, now it could go continue by itself. Somebody believes in that is a non-ma'amin b'HaKadosh Baruch Hu, because now his independent existence doesn't need HaKadosh Baruch Hu. No, the creation means that HaKadosh Baruch Hu gives chiyut and existence every second and minute. If he doesn't give, he would die. He would cease to exist. Therefore, at the time that the person sins the Lashon Hara, the person does something wrong, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is giving him existence and power to do that. That's called betraying HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, two very important points in the first word of admission. First of all, the sin itself destroys a person. Then the second point that we have to come to recognition is whenever we sin, we are using the power of HaKadosh Baruch Hu and we are going against. And saying Viduy, we are reviving. Saying Viduy, we connect all of this connection that we make.